Welcome to 0 Day Swag. I'm your host, Sarcastic Specialist. This is the Chaos Before the Contract playlist. In this corner of the ZDS multiverse, we answer Real Guard 101 questions with cinematic chaos, no recruiter sales pitch, and zero fluff. What you'll hear is the answer. What you'll see, that's the journey. Just you, me, and the info you're really looking for. So here is the question: how do I pick the right guard job for me? Start with this. What do you actually enjoy? Tech, medical, fixing stuff, leadership. The Guard has over 100 jobs, and the best one for you is the one that sets you up both in uniform and out. Your scores matter here. So does job availability, but you still get to choose, and you should. Don't wait until MEPS to think about it. That's how you end up signing for a job you didn't even know existed. Text your recruiter and ask them to send you your job options based on your test scores. That one question can change your entire career path. If that helped, there's a whole playlist full of answers just like it. Check out the rest of the channel: Guard questions, cinematic chaos, and zero recruiter sales pitch. Like, subscribe. Send it to your friend who's overthinking everything. Or just watch the next one. I'll be here, glitching in whenever the questions show up.